How to find Roblox server region. Now in this method, we're going to use a extension for this thing to work. Now launch Roblox via the web version on any preferred web browser you want, but in this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now head directly to roblox.com and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now create another tab and then go directly to Chrome Web Store. And then in here, the extension that we will be downloading is going to be the BT Roblox. Now just simply add this extension to your Chrome. So I have already added mine. So just simply close this tab right here. Now once you've successfully added that extension, there is some changes that you will see on your screen, like this part right here. Now just head directly to the gear icon, which is going to be the settings, and access the BTR settings. Now scroll all the way down and then go to advanced, scroll down again, and then in here just simply choose on region, which is going to be a drop down from here. Once you have changed it, simply close the window, and then right here you should be able to see server region on any experiences that you would like to view. Now just simply choose any experience right there, and then on the room or the current server of that experience, the region will be visible. So that's how you find server region in Roblox.